Adobe Photoshop, a synonym and often a verb for manipulated and edited images, has turned 30. After launching its app on iPad last year, the company said it is looking to expand its presence on more platforms in the near future. On this occasion, Adobe is bringing 4 AI-powered features to its desktop and iPad apps. On a call earlier this week, executives said they were looking to introduce more features powered by the company's Sensei engine, which was launched in 2016. 30 years of Photoshop innovation tech to meet in Europe's leading and most fun tech events, and let us go on desktop. The company is bringing content-aware filling for multiple objects on one go. This feature lets you remove objects and fill the space with the present background based on your selection. For instance, in the picture below, you can remove the leaf on the ice cream cone and fill it with pink-colored ice cream. Adobe Photoshop has new content-aware fill feature. Along with this, Adobe is also launching an improved lens blur function that supports photos with the depth map. The new feature relies on G2 rather than the CPU for processing, and supposedly delivers a more realistic bulk effect. As compared to the desktop users, Photoshop for iPad users should be excited because they reset to get an object selection tool just like the one available on desktop. The Sensei-powered tool automatically picks objects based on your general selection through an AI. The new object selection was originally launched last year for desktop during Adobe's Max event. Over the past couple of years, Adobe has been focusing a lot more on mobile products. Last year, apart from Photoshop for iPad, the company also You can read full post on Cryptophones News, link available in text below.